Hi everyone, welcome back. This is the second part of my I call it the triyptech Selman spiral, I guess. Gonna do 3 boards. I've already done 1 board. The spiral. Now I'm doing the second spiral, the second 10-inch. I've got one more 12-inch to go. I've still got to tape the back, but I'll get that before I start the video on that. This one, the other one I spun this way. This one I'm going to spin this way. I am going to use all the colors in this one except the purple. The purple's not going in, but this one will take its place, and that is the Deep Lagoon by Porch Posse Paints. I'm sorry, I've already moved all of my paints. I will add in the first video that is a part 1 of a part 3 series. So and then I will label the other 2 videos so that way you will be able to link them 3 together. I will have the paints in each description box. I will have the stores where I got everything at in the description box. All of my paints are mixed with mixed pour, 7-to-1. Let's do this. We're going to start this one out with this blue on the bottom. The first one I started out with Blue Lagoon, which is a real light blue. It's like a pale blue, baby blue, minty color. So I figure I'd start this one out with a blue. Hold on, let me make sure I'm videoing right now. I'm kind of afraid I'm not. Okay, I'm videoing. Okay, so that was the Warm Blue by Global Colors. We're going to come in with this. Let me pull all my paints out because I hide it because this slings paint out my back. Okay, then we're going to come in with the this is all blue. We're going to come back in with the Blue Lagoon. Like I said in the first video, there is no rhyme or reason to these colors where I place them. But you do want to add color on the top of your puddles. You don't have to add much, but you do want to break in the color to where they're not just solid. I am going to use a different color on top of that blue, the Blue Lagoon. I'm going to use this Carolina Blue Shimmer. This is one of my favorite colors to use. It is a Porch Posse paint. I will link the description in the box. I will link the place to get this in the description box of this video below, as I will the first video. So this may be a long series of vids. That's okay. Then I'm going to use this Aqua Flash. It's my go-to blue. I just love it. Okay. Now we're gonna go to this turquoise beach. It's a little bit different color than the Carolina blue shimmer and the blue lagoon. If it does go stringy, it's fine. It's not, that doesn't hurt this type of painting in no way, shape, or form. So now we're going to add this deep lagoon. It is a very pretty, I mean, it's a blue-green, but on top of these blues, it looks green. Green was not a color of hers that was a favorite, but I'm hoping she'll like this one. It is very shimmery. Now we're going to add some more warm blue because we've already lost the blue. Now we can string it. String it along. I'm not worried about bubbles. I will pop them in a minute. You know, I'm going to do this something like this too. Just for sake of doing it. I love this Carolina blue shimmer. It's a very pretty color. Just drizzling it on. Now one way you're straight, but then the other way it's kind of just like woo loop-de-loops. And that's totally fine. Just want to make sure you break up them colors. This makes it pop really good. Okay. I didn't add any gold or any copper or anything into this, incorporated into these pieces, but I may add a little bit of gold into the center. I do want them all to combine, so I don't know what I'm actually going to do yet. I just hope this really turns out. That little bit of deep lagoon. I know it looks green against these blues, but it's really, it's a bluey green. So I missed my mark. I'm sorry. Anyway, I got these wooden rounds from MDF board rounds from Fluidart Co. They were generous enough to send me some test pieces. So if you're looking for wood rounds, Fluidart Co. sells them. And they're great. I just poured on one and I'm in love. So anyway, I think I'm done with this one. Do I have? Yeah, okay. I'm done with this one. So I'm going to, I've already got this on backwards, or spinning backwards. So I'm going to start, the drag process. slow that down a tad bit. Decided it wanted to jump on its way. That's okay, it can always be fixed. Here we go, as long as you're staying close to your lines. It's doing its thing. You want to kind of keep your hand in one spot. Because if you don't, if you move it and travel back and forth, and I have very hard time sometimes just sitting perfectly still while I'm doing this. But if you stay still and you just move it upwards into the center, you'll get perfect rings. And your rings won't land on each other. So hoping this one works. I kind of got a little out of control with the strings, with the ribbons. But if I don't like it, I can always scrape it and restart. I've got plenty of paint left over, even for the 12-inch. See, I gotta pull myself back. But you can. Gosh, I guess I should add some music to this part of the video. You want your spinner going slow so you can control your spinner. You want to be able to control the drag. Don't get too hasty with finishing up your center. You'll find your center. It will find you. Whew. Okay. So I'm going to ramp this up a little bit and not wait. Start opening this up. I think that'll work. I think that looks great. The green complements all the blues. I think that's very nice. The edges are completely covered. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, I don't think I brought y'all in for a close-up of the last one, so I'm going to bring y'all a close-up for this one. I'm not going to spin it the other way around because I want it to stay just like this. So I'm going to bring y'all in for a close-up. There's your lines. Nice and tight. There's the center. Nice center. Lines are nice and tight. They make the loops. Little wobble on the outside, but you're going to get that. As long as your center is nice and tight. So there is a 10-inch round Selman spiral complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. I upload randomly, so I can't tell you. I try to upload this. So, yeah, whenever I get around to it, I just upload. Anyway, please share. Show everybody what the Selman spiral looks like. It's a great low technique. Anyway, yep, I'll put everything in the description box. And y'all, it's the 14th, so happy Valentine's Day. Peace.